Hello, in this lecture, we are going to learn how to make your resume really stand out by using a bit of technology. Ever heard of an ATS or application tracking system? It's a tool that many companies use to quickly see if a resume matches the job they are hiring for. This app, which we are going to create, will help make your resume more likely to pass through an ATS and get noticed by recruiters. And don't worry if you don't know much about coding or Python, I will walk you through each step in a way that is easy to understand. So by the end, you will know exactly how to use this app to boost your resume for any job application. So let's dive into the code. In the first step, we are bringing in some tools called libraries to help us to achieve this task. Base 64 help us turn files into code that can be sent over the internet. OS library let us work with the computer's environment like setting secret keys. IO and PDF to image help us change PDF files into images so we can read them more easily. We are going to use Google Generative AI tool to analyze the resume and job description. In step 2, we are adding our Google API key to tell the computer that we have permission to use Google AI tools. It's like giving the AI robot a password so that it can start working. This key is stored as an environment variable using os.environment, which is a secure way to handle an API key. Then we tell Google AI Library or Gen AI to use this key. In step 3, we are defining a function called getGeminiResponse, whose task is to ask the AI to read and respond to a job description and resume. We are taking in three parameters: input, which contain input variable which contains the job description text. PDF content variable is the resume which we will convert to an image in the next step. Prompt is an extra set of instructions we give the AI to help it know exactly what we want. We use GenAI.generative model, and in that we are defining the name of AI model which we wanted to use. Then we ask this model to create a response based on what we have given as input. This function then sends back or return the AI response as text. In this step, we are going to define this function called input PDF setup, which takes a PDF file and prepare it so that an AI can read it properly. First, it converts the first page of the PDF into an image so we can send it to the AI. The image is then converted into a special code using base 64 which allow it to be sent securely. We put this code in PDF part so it can be used by the model. If there is no file uploaded, it will show an error. So how it works together? First, we upload the resume. Second, we prepare the resume for the AI. Third, we get the response from getGeminiResponse function, which is taking job description, prepare resume, and prompt as input, and return a customized response based on that. So what the AI does? The AI compares the resume to the job description and check for relevant keywords and skills and experiences. It then gives feedback on how well the resume matches the job and highlight missing keywords or areas for improvement. In summary, this code helps analyzing a resume to see how well it matches a job description using Google Generative AI model. Now let's compile all the code and run it so that we can see what AI is returning. So here we have compiled everything. First, we are importing libraries. Then we are setting up Google API key. Then we are calling our required functions. One is to get the response from Gemini, and the other one is to extract or convert the PDF data into image form so that we can send it via API. Then we have defined a prompt in which we ask the model or Gemini model to behave like a ATS expert in data science related field, and then to evaluate the resume which we are giving based on the job description which we are giving as input, and return a percentage match score if the resume matches the job description, and the output should only include the percentage number followed by missing keywords and finally the overall feedback. And then we are passing the input text which contains the job description details, and then we simply reading a PDF file, passing a sample CV, and calling our response function and passing all the parameters. So let's run it and see what the response come from Gemini model. So as we run our Python program, it first gives a percentage score which is 55%. Then it passes the missing keywords as we mentioned in the prompt, and then the overall feedback which is that this resume demonstrate a strong foundation in data science, machine learning, and related technologies. However, it lacks some essential keywords and experience specifically required for the role. The candidate possesses a strong background in big data and ETL and machine learning, but the resume lacks mentions of NLP, which is a required thing in the job description. So it does perform well. You can try it out on your CV and test on your resume, pass your job description and then your resume, and see what the model returns based on your provided inputs. And that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Also, I'll be mentioning my course URL, which is about generative AI. So if you are a beginner or want to explore this field, this course is for you because it covers basics of generative AI to its concepts, and we will also be building different AI applications as well. So make sure to enroll in that course. Till next video, have a good day.